Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Vogish Vibe. I hope you all are doing well. So it has been a long time since I have uploaded a video, but finally I am here. This is the look that I have created today. It is basically inspired from sunset and it is very simple to create. You just need three colors in your palette, that is yellow, orange and red, and you can easily create this look. So if you're interested to know how to get this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming makeup tutorials, and let's get started. So as you all know, before starting I'm going to moisturize my face using this Lakme moisturizer, and I will apply it all over my face now. I used a very little amount this time. Now I'll be hydrating my lips using this Maybelline lip balm. So I'm using this Milani foundation, which is in the shade 01. Just one pump of it would be enough. Now I'll apply it by making dots on my face. Also make sure you always apply the foundation on your neck also, so that the color looks even on both the sides. And now with the help of a beauty blender, I will start blending the foundation. So this foundation is totally full coverage and I highly recommend this one. I have been using this since a long time now, and the finish that it gives is amazing. Foundations also come with a lot of variety actually, according to your skin type. So this one is basically a matte finish formula. So if you are someone who has oily skin, this would be a good choice for foundation. Take enough time while blending the foundation, because as you all know, blending is the key to perfect looking base. Now for concealer, I'm using my Elegirl Pro concealer here, and I will be applying it on the under eye area and around my mouth. Now with the same beauty blender, I will start blending the concealer. So you can totally skip the concealer part if you have applied a full coverage foundation. But I wanted little bit brightening on my face, so I'm using this step. Now that we are done with blending, I am going to set the entire base using the Maybelline Master Fix loose powder. So I am taking the loose powder on the same blender and I will start baking the under eye area first. Now I will be applying the loose powder on the other parts of my face so that we can set it. Also don't forget to set the neck portion because we have applied foundation there as well. Now once the entire face is set, I will use a fluffy brush and I will dust off the baking. Now starting with the eye makeup, first I will start with my eyebrows. For that I am using a spoolie and brushing them once. Now for filling them, I will be using this angular brush. So this time I'm using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette and using this black color. I will be filling my eyebrows. Now from the high points, start filling the color. I don't like to draw my eyebrows very thick. I like to keep it natural. You can clearly see the difference now between the two. I will be following the same step on the other eyebrow as well now. To evenly distribute the color, I am using a spoolie and brushing them again. And we are done with the eyebrows now. Now with the help of the same Makeup Revolution palette, I am using these two yellow colors right here and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. For this I am using a flat eyeshadow application brush and not a fluffy one, so that the brush properly picks the yellow color. Usually yellow colors are not very pigmented, so you need to apply it properly and at least 2 to 3 layers are needed. Take enough time for building the eyeshadow properly. Now I will be taking this orange color from the palette and we will place it besides the yellow color. Now I will be blending both the colors using a fluffy brush. Repeat the same step on the other eye. So this is how both the colors should look well blended and in transition. Now I am taking this dark red color from the palette and I will be placing it by using a flat brush besides the orange color. So we usually use a flat brush so that the shadow is properly placed at one place. Now repeating the same step on the other eye, placing the red color on the outer corner. Now once we have placed the red color on the outer corner, I am just using a fluffy brush and blending all three colors together. Now I will be placing the same colors on the lower lash line. So for this I am going to use my fingers to get the maximum pigment out of the yellow color. With the help of a flat brush, applying the red color on the outer corner. Our eyeshadow application is almost completed now. This is how it looks. Now I'm using this Nykaa Getting matte eyeliner and I'm going to apply a wing liner through this. I'm just going to start from the middle and draw a thin line through my lash line. and then we will connect it with the inner corner as well. Now once we are done drawing a basic line, I'm just going to draw a wing on the outer corner, and I will connect it by making a triangle and then fill it up. So this is an amazing pen eyeliner because it is really very easy to use and it is totally matte and waterproof. I highly recommend this one. Now we are done with the eyeliner on both the eyes. This is the final look. Now further on, I'm just going to curl my lashes for the mascara application. For mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is a waterproof one. This is how the wand looks like. It is given an hourglass shape and it says that it has more than 200 bristles in it. Now I'm just going to simply start coating my eyelashes. So actually I was about to make a product review video on this mascara, but in and all, this is an amazing mascara. It is the best drugstore mascara out there. If you're looking for the perfect volume and length for your lashes and you're tight on your budget, I would totally recommend this one. So the MRP of this mascara is $7.99. I got it from Nykaa recently on their sale that was going on. I got it for 550 rupees. You can already see the lengthening and volume it has provided to the lashes. Now for my face, I'm using this palette from Sugar Cosmetics. It is a 3-in-1 palette with bronzer, highlighter and blush. And using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to apply this bronzer on my cheekbones now. So this is in the shade Subtle Summit 01. So this is a very light bronzer for everyday use. If you want that radiant skin, it won't give you that proper contouring effect. Now I'm applying it on my jawline. Also applying a little on my forehead. Now from the same palette, I'm using this blush and I'm going to apply it using a fluffy brush. So this as well is a very light blush for everyday use. It does not have very dark color. It is a very peachy kind of a blush. Now for highlighter, I'm using this highlighter brick by Glam 21 and I'm going to use this silver highlighter on my face. I'm going to apply the highlighter on the bridge of my nose, cheekbones, brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. I have already mentioned in my earlier videos, this is a very beautiful highlighter. It gives that blinding effect which we all love. Now that we are done with highlighting, I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'm using this one by Cal Cosmetics. It is in the shade 28, a peachy tone lipstick. Now we are almost done with the look. So this is the final result of the makeup look. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and if you recreate this look, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.